Hope you're having a great day. Got a new brief for you. Let's see how the market is moving today. There's real fear in the tape and a busy calendar coming at us. Let's check in on crypto, because this is where the story is. Bitcoin is sitting around 62,800, off about 1.5% on the day. Ethereum is softer at 1666, down a little over 1%, and Solana's the laggard, near 66, off close to 2. But here's the hook. Fear and greed just printed 10, deep in extreme fear, and that's the second percentile across the last 8 years. We haven't seen this level since mid-April, and historically, when sentiment gets this washed out, the index drifts about 9 points higher a month later. That doesn't mean an instant bounce, but it does mean the asymmetry is shifting. The 30-day trend has bled from 47 down to 10, 8 straight days in extreme fear, and that kind of capitulation usually flushes out the weak hands before a base forms. Watch the 62,000 level on Bitcoin closely. Lose it, and the next air pocket opens. Let's see how stocks closed. The S&P sits at 739.31 cents, up over 1%, which is a notable disconnect from crypto's mood. Underneath, though, the VIX jumped to 21.5 from the 15 to 16 zone it lived in all of May. That's a real regime change in vol, even as the index grinds higher. Mega-cap winners are masking some rotation pain underneath, so don't take the headline number at face value. Commodities side. Gold's holding 43.35, basically flat, but staying bid near record territory tells you the haven demand is real. WTI crude near 90 is down a touch after OPEC Plus met 2 days ago, and Middle East risk is still the swing factor. Now to the headlines driving today's tape. Asia stocks rose gingerly on an AI recovery and a tentative Israel-Iran de-escalation, which is why equity futures feel calmer than crypto sentiment suggests. There's also analysis out on India's mounting fiscal costs from the Iran war, a reminder that the geopolitical bill is real, even if strikes pause. And Vietnam is rushing U.S. aircraft deals as Washington trade probes mount, which keeps the tariff theme alive in the background. Looking ahead, U.S. trade balance hits today at 12:30 UTC, a medium-tier print. The big one is tomorrow. May CPI lands at 12:30 UTC, and just 75 minutes later, the Bank of Canada delivers its rate decision at 13:45 UTC. PPI follows Thursday. With fear and greed at 10 and VIX climbing, a hot CPI print is the tail risk that matters most. That's it for today. Head over to Trada for the full real-time terminal with the liquidation map and dozens of other live widgets, your own custom strategy tabs, and an AI sparring partner watching the tape with you. Happy trading!